Hi everyone, I'm Miss Amanda and I work for the Springwater Public Library, and I'm here with another STEM kit that you can take home and sign out from our library. This STEM kit that I'm talking about today is this fancy kit. The Science Explorers kit is both fun and educational. Perform experiments, explore science with this kit, which includes a microscope, microscope accessories, and books designed to help spark creativity and curiosity. Let's check it out. First book, and my kids' personal favorite, was Gross Science Experiments for Kids, The Curious Kids Science Book, Kitchen Science Lab for Kids, Edible Edition. We also have this fantastic microscope. It's very easy to use, so all ages can use it with the help of an adult. My kids were able to use it, no problem. And to go along with this, we also have some slides for you to look at. So this box of slides includes muscles and nerves, skin and tissue, plant parts, mold and algae, and nutrient processing systems. This kit is a fantastic way to pass the winter where we're all stuck indoors and looking for something to do. Also, you get to learn a little bit. It's pretty awesome. You can put this on hold at the Springwater Public Library because we're just awesome like that. Bye!